Now in the course, when we set up WordPress, we left it at the initial WordPress setup screen and left it as an exercise to the student to finish the configuration. I'm going to walk you through that now. So the first step is to select your language. You can leave it as the default English US if that's your language of choice. For me, I'm a Canadian. I strongly prefer the Canadian spellings, so I'll select English Canada and click the blue Continue button. Now it's going to prompt me for my site title. In this case, it's markn.ca, a username, again, marknca, and my password. Now you'll notice that I have a very weak password. That's fine. I simply need it as a disposable password. My email for this user account is aws@marknca. Here's a useful pro tip for those of you on Mac or iOS. The spell checker absolutely loves to autocorrect AWS to was. Be aware that's hit me more than a few times. I'm also going to allow search engines to index the site, and I'll click the gray Install WordPress button. That's it. That's all. Nice and easy. WordPress is set up. Click the gray Login button, and you'll be taken to the admin panel area. So I'll type in my username and my password, select Remember Me, and then I'll click Login. And now I'm brought directly into my WordPress dashboard. My site is set up. I love how much work the community has put into making getting up and running a smooth and simple experience. It was really, really slick, and I can't imagine how many mistakes, and I can't imagine any other steps that they would remove to make this easier. It is very simple, very straightforward, and that's how you get WordPress up and running based on our AWS deployment.